Tom 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 tom. Tom 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 tom. It's time for a message from the future. Stay tuned. Tom 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 tom. Tom 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 tom. Welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a message from the future. Yes, in today's video I just want to talk about something I'm thinking of ordering, or basically I'm going to order it, but I just wanted to talk about it. Yes, and I just want to let you know that it is out there, and I would really love to know from you what do you think of this. So okay, today's video we are going to talk about the Nintendo GameCube. Yes, I love the Nintendo GameCube, and there are some pretty damn awesome things for it. For example, we're having upscalers with HDMI. But I came across this thing on AliExpress, thinking, what the heck is this? So for the people who don't know, at the back of the GameCube we're finding two ports. AV for RGB signal out, for basic signal out, but we're having one for special component cable. Those cables are freaking expensive, but nowadays we're having little dongles like this. You can stick it in, grab your HDMI cable, put it in, and yes, you have HDMI signal. Very nice signal output. But okay, let's go to something else before we go into any further with this thing from AliExpress. Game Connections, great store, has a lot of very cool stuff. So if you're interested, check it out, the website. But if you look at this, they are selling this device. I really love to make a review for myself. I think I'm going to order one from AliExpress first and then this one. But I like it. I really love to test it out on my channel. What is the capability of it? How good is the signal output? But as you can see, holy shit, it's expensive. 125 euro is a lot of money for this device. But I'm guessing it's worth it. I know there are some fellow YouTubers did a review about it. You can check it out, or can wait for my review in the future. But just wanted to show you a quick Games Connection web shop. Okay, let's go back to the one of AliExpress. $40, so yeah, there's a very big price difference. But it's still the question, does it work as well like the other one? That's something I really personally love to find out. If I can order both of them, that is something I need to do in this look in the future. It's more like a financial thing at the moment. But as you can see, these things are made from 3D printed casings. Even the connection. So if it's very good, I don't know. It's not the same quality like the other one, but yeah, what can you expect for the money, people? 40 bucks or 125 euro, that's more like 130 euro or dollars. So in other words, there's a difference of around $90. There's a big difference, if you ask me. It's for the mini, let's see what it says, but here it says from the GameCube digital AV output. So in other words, this is for the special connection. I need to point out, not every GameCube has it. The first generation has it, but the later version doesn't have it at all. So if you're interested in this product, check your back of your GameCube, they have both ports. So as you can see, yeah, it's pretty basic, and this is something you pay for. So yeah, I really love to know from you, what do you think of this? Would you consider buying this thing for AliExpress for $40, or you would buy this thing and just go for the big quality products and spend $130? Yeah, something like that. It's in euros, but you get the point. So that's something I really love to know from you. Do you own a GameCube, and what is your favorite game? I am a big fan of F-Zero GX. That's my favorite #1 game, not Mario or something like that. No, I love F-Zero. I'm a big F-Zero fan. So I love to try it out with F-Zero on the gaming channel. So don't forget to check out the gaming channel. Yes. For now, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and see you next time. Bye bye.